Tell me about the shelf life on your products, because I know many cleaning products only have an 18 to 24-month shelf life once they're opened.
My shelf life is a lot shorter just because it is natural. It still is effective, so it still cleans and still does the same thing. But one thing you'll notice is that maybe the aroma, so the spearmint won't be as strong or the eucalyptus won't be as strong. And it's because I use essential oils in it. I always recommend people to shake the bottles before the use because the oils do settle. So my shelf life is maybe right around 3 months. I recommend keeping in a dark spot because of the hydrogen peroxide. Yes, my bottles are clear, but they still do a good job. I recommend bringing your cleaning bag in at night so that it doesn't freeze and you don't want the heat to get to it. It's just proper care for your products. And
Mhm.
this is more of a gentler, natural product. Think of it like homemade bread, Angela.
Mm.
If you make homemade bread, that homemade bread's going to last 2 days if you didn't eat it all, because then it's going to start getting moldy because there's no synthetic ingredients in it to keep it preserved. That's like my cleaning product. It's not going to last as long as the other products. But honestly, you're going to go through this because this is going to be your only cleaning product you're going to use. So then you'll keep using it again and again.